Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will answer all the questions you have prepared for us, sir. So, without further ado, let us start. So, number one, in your own words, explain what you understand about A. Culture, B. Stereotype. So, first, let me start with culture, the A. Culture is a habit or something that develops in a community of many people that is unique and inherited to the next generation of that community. So, we can share it to many people all around the world in order to know each other and be friends. And the B, what is a stereotype? A stereotype is a claim that many people make to a certain kind of community, which is not true. For example, Muslim is a violence group. This claim emerged because the tragedy of 9/11 that happened in America. Number two, do you think there is relationship between language and culture? In what ways? Yes, I think there is. Because different language have different accent, and because of that, we can identify a person just by listening to how they talk. And not just that, because of this different accent, every nation also have a different melody of song that they have. So because of accent that they make, also make a different kind of song or melody that they produce because of that accent. So different country will have a different kind of song, not always the same song. And question number three, when someone has just come to a new place, he or she will face to the so-called culture shock. What do you understand about culture shock? Provide some examples. So, culture shock, simply speaking, is just a shock of something new or something that you don't think people normally do in your homeland. For example, in America, it is an embarrassing thing not lose your virginity at a young age. But us in Indonesia is the opposite direction. We embarrass if people know we lose our virginity early or brag about it. It is an embarrassing thing. And number four, okay. Suppose you are about to continue your education either in England, Australia, or US. Talk about what you need to prepare in order to survive with lots of difference in the country. Be specific with your answer. So, the first thing I will do, will be to know what I can do and I can not do in the country, because sometimes there is certain rule that people really hate. People there maybe really hate that we don't know. So we have to know first what it is. Number two, the second is know the diet in there, because sometimes meat there isn't processed the halal way. So we have to be careful for what we eat, because we are Muslim. So we have to be careful. And maybe, and the third is know someone there, so it will be easier to blend in the neighborhood. So we will easier to socialize with the people there. Okay, sorry. That's all. I think that's all. If there is something wrong in my speech, please forgive me, sir. I did my best in making this video, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.